Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Today I'm going to be doing a haul for you guys from two different places. So first I'm going to do an Ulta haul. I just have a few things from there, so I'm going to do theirs first. And then I'm going to do a skincare haul that I'm very excited about, and I can't wait to talk about their products to y'all and more about their company. It's MARC Skincare, and I'll get more into that later in the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all the Ulta products I got, and everything on here will be linked below in the description box if you're interested in checking it out. So I'm gonna try and make this video quick so it's not going on forever. But the first thing that I got from Ulta is this amazing Maui Babe Browning Lotion. I have never tried this before. This is what it looks like. I saw this on TikTok. A lot of people were using it on TikTok. It's supposed to kind of speed up your tanning process and give you a darker tan when you lay out. So I'm really excited about this. It wasn't that expensive either, but people said it stinks. I have not smelled it. I think there's probably a thing on there. I haven't even opened it yet, but we'll see. I haven't tried it yet. If you guys want me to do a review on it after I try it, give this a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. So these are the Self-Tan Drops in Dark by Tanologist Face and Body Drops. Saw these on TikTok as well. I've never tried these. You basically add them to your moisturizer or your body lotion, and it's supposed to give you like a self-tan. I got these because my face doesn't tan that well, and when I'm fake tanned as well, it like washes off my face really quick. So I thought this would be easy to just add to my moisturizer every day, so my face can stay tan. I can do a review on this as well if you guys want. Next thing I got is from The Ordinary. I've been seeing them a lot on TikTok too. This is a skincare company, and they have really cheap products. This was super cheap. They're known for one of their chemical matte peel masks, but I just got the rosehip seed oil because I was out of my normal one, and this is the only one that Ulta had, so thought I would try it. And the last thing I got is just my eyebrow pencil that I use, and this is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the color Taupe, and this is like a dupe for the NYX one that I usually use, and it's half the price. So really good, really recommend this. Moving on to the skincare products that I got, and I'm so excited because it's like a whole line of skincare products, and they're really good ones. And I also have a discount code for you guys for 20% off, which is really good because these are expensive products, but it's because they are like medical, like skincare products, so they are really good. So the line is MARC, and it stands for Medical Aesthetics Regenerative Center, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about their line. Let me just go to their Instagram. So they are based in North Carolina, but they have an online shop as well that I'll have linked below, as well as my discount code. Gonna read you guys a little bit about their company. It says, so they work with regenerative medicine. They provide personalized medicine utilizing innovative technologies and the latest advances in science, medicine, and holistic healthcare, including stem cell therapy, neurotoxin injections, and more. And so they offer a lot of different products. So the ones I'm using are the aesthetic rejuvenation treatments. So I'll have their Instagram link below too, but it's Mark Gastonia, and they have a lot of before and after pictures on there as well. But basically they're really high-end products, which I'm very excited to be using these products, and I am going to be doing a lot of before and after pictures of my personal results, and I'll do another review after I use them for a while so you guys can really see the whole deal. But I know people that personally use these and like really have great results, so check out their Instagram. If you guys have seen my skincare video in the past, you would know that I've struggled a lot with my skin, and it's cleared up so much, but I am struggling now. I'm getting wrinkles on my forehead, and just like it's very dull. I have like marks left over still, and just underneath my eyes are not good. So these products are great because they really focus on anti-aging a lot, which I definitely need at this moment in time. So I'm gonna get in and show you guys the products, and I'm gonna talk to you about them and what each one of them does. Okay, so these are all the products that I got. There's a lot. So I do have a list of a description for each and every product, so I can tell y'all like what's in it and what it does as well. first things first, I got this. This is for blemish prone skin. It's called the Inyo, and I'm so sorry if I pronounce any of these wrong. They all have different names. And this is a powerful spot treatment for breakouts. It comes in a roller ball, so it's perfect for on the go. This is the roller ball, so you can just it has benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, so it controls oil and minimizes acne and bacteria. It says it moisturizes with herbal extracts, reduces dryness, minimizes pores, which I need. Perfect for oily and acne prone skin, and it's recommended to use with combo of the Athena medicated pads. So these are the Athena medicated pads. They have 3 powerful acids combined in the medicated pads. They exfoliate, control acne and oil, minimize appearances of pores, improve skin texture for clearer, blemish-free skin. So they contain moisturizers with the herbal extracts to reduce dryness. It says you should use them twice daily, and they're perfect for oily skin as well. And these are just, I don't know if y'all have ever seen these. Okay, so they're closed right now. But these are like the little pads that are already medicated, so you just kind of tone your face with them. The next thing that I got is the Thea. This is what it looks like. The Thea is powered by alpha arbutin, kojic acid, and niacinamide. I probably said all of that wrong. It's a color correcting serum that helps reduce discoloration and uneven pigmentation, which I have from past breakouts, so I'm excited for this. It's a blend of herbal extracts, moisturizes, and it plumps the skin while improving tone and texture. And this product contains no hydroquinone. Said that wrong as well. Perfect for suffering with melasma, sun, age spots, and hyperpigmentation. So this is for people that are suffering with some aging spots, hyperpigmentation, sunspots, but I do suffer with hyperpigmentation. So people that have had acne before in the past, this is going to be great to heal your skin. The next is the Rhea. This is what that looks like. And the Rhea is a charcoal mask, which I'm actually going to try this tonight. I'm really excited. Look at the bottle. It's so cute. It just like comes up like that. So I really like this. Okay, it's a charcoal mask. It uses kaolin and silt clay. It purifies the skin, removes oil. It's gentle enough to be used 2 to 3 times weekly, and it says it's perfect for all skin types, especially oily or acne skin. So charcoal masks are great for acne. The next thing, which I'm also really excited about, I'm excited about all of these because I love skincare, and this is the Maya. What it looks like. I have never tried one of these. This is an eyelash and eyebrow serum, and I've never tried one, and I've always wanted to. So it's a blend of herbal extracts and peptides designed to condition and enhance for longer, healthier lashes and brows with less hair loss, and it says use twice daily for best results. I'm excited about this because I overpluck my eyebrows and I need them to grow, and my eyelashes have been thinning out as I've gotten older, so I'm excited to try this. I've never tried one. And this product is on the pricier side, but you gotta, like, you're literally just putting it, like, you know, on your eyelashes and your eyebrows. Like, you don't use that much product, so it's gonna last you a while. And then I have 2 more products that I got, and these are very similar. So first is the Freesia, and this is what it looks like. It's in this plastic right now, so let me take it off. So it looks like this, and on one side is a brush. So, and then there's like the powder, and the Freesia it's a sunscreen. It's 100% organical, chemical-free powder. It has SPF 30. It's a water resistant, lightweight formula, and it's tinted. So this is the tinted one. So you can build it up to, you know, hide any blemishes or anything, but you're still getting that SPF protection. It has the built-in brush, so you can take it on the go, apply it throughout the day, and it contains no parabens, fragrance, talc, preservatives, oil, harsh chemicals, or dimethicone. I said that wrong, I'm sure. And it says it's great for all skin types, so I think that's great that it doesn't have talc. A lot of powders have talc, and personally, talc breaks me out, so this is great. The second one is very similar, so it has the brush on the other side, which I like, and this is called the Azalea. So this is like a translucent version. So this is a lot like the Freesia one. It has no pigment, so it's great to put over the makeup you already have on, just to kind of finish everything off and get that SPF in. Okay, so those are all of the products that I got, and they are very high-end products. They are medical products, like they're from a doctor's office, so like they're really good products, and I'm really excited to use these, and I'm really excited to share my results with y'all. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I'm going to be posting a lot more on there about my before and afters and everything, and I'm obviously going to make a video about it as well. Be sure to, if you're interested, check them out. I'm going to have their website down below as well as their Instagram, so you can see the before and after pictures that they have on there as well. I'm going to put my coupon code on the screen. It's Abby20, and you're going to get 20% off, which is a really great deal for these. And I'll have the link to everything that I mentioned in the video below, as well as all the information you'll need. So make sure you check them out. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want to see a specific review on anything, and I'll make that for you guys. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!